In this video, we are going to see about operators in Python. So what do you mean by operators and operand? This is nothing but operators is symbol. It perform the particular operations on one or more operands. So operands is nothing but is a value or a variable which is involved in any operations. So the example here a plus b, a plus 5 and a plus b star c division d. Three expressions given. Here the symbol plus in a plus b expressions is a operator and b variables and 5 so called operand. And these are the types of operators in Python: arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparisons, relational operators, logical operators, identity operators, and membership operators. The last two type, identity and membership operators, is a new operators in other languages in Python. Bitwise operators. See, arithmetic operators is used to perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And here the double slash is called as double forward slash is a 4 divisions. You divide the number, it will give the whole entire number, but single forward slash, it will give the result in a float point. And for getting the power value, we can use a exponent double store operators. So example, x value 15, y value is 4, and then we are printing first x plus y and x minus y, and next perform multiplication and perform division also. Next one also divisions, that is a floor division. Last exponent operators is for power value. Is here. First is addition, so 15 plus 4, 19 is printed. And next 15 minus 4, 11 is printed. 15 into 4 is multiplied and display is 60. So here so result comes in a float point division, single forward slash. So it's a give a round value because of using double forward slash. And next the power value 15 power 4, so 50,625 is the answer. Comparison operators used to compare the two operands or values. While we compare the two values, if it is true, the conditions both are equal means it will return true, otherwise it will return the. So comparison operator greater than, less than, and double equal, whether both values are equal or not, we can check through the double equal and not equal, and greater than or equal and less than or equal. It return always a boolean values true or false only. So false indicates 0 and true indicates 1. So example for Python comparison operator, x value 10, y value 12. Next we are comparing x greater than y. Next x less than y. And then both are equality checked by the equals operator and not equal. And then greater than or equal and less than or equal. So let's see what will be the output. So first 10 greater than 12, so it's written false. And 10 less than 12 is correct, so it's written true. And both are not equal, so it's written false. And x not equal to y is both are different values, so it's written true. Next, 10 greater than or equal to 12 is false. As well as 10 less than or equal to 12, yeah, it's correct, so it's written true. And logical operators combine more than one conditions, combine the more than one comparisons operators. This is to combine the more than one conditional statements. There are three logical operators: and, or, not. Say and return true when all the conditions so return true, then only the result will be true. Or means any one of condition return true means then output will become a true. And not means it's the opposite. If the condition return true, it will return false. Conditions gives false, then it will give a return opposite to true. So example for logical operators. Given the boolean value is equal to true or equal to false, and x and y is compared, x or y, and x not x is given. See here, x value is true, y value is false, so true and false. So of course the result will become false, because under operator both conditions should be true, then only output true. And next or operator, anyone is true, then output is true. So here x value is true, so true opposite, the reverse result will be false display. And bitwise operators, here binary values or will be compared. Bitwise it will be performed operations, and these are the bitwise operators: and, or, and of course all the bits match with 1, comparing the bits was 1, then only it will set the bits 1. And one of any one bits is 1, then output became a 1. Nor operator exclusive, so only one of two bits is 1, then the result will be a 1. And not is opposite, 0 means once, 1 means 0. And shift left operators is supposing the 0 from zeros or ones according to the binary digits. It will shifting from that right, and the leftmost is fall off. It's just opposite that right shift. And assignment operators is used to assign the values. So always in this assignment operator, left side must be operand, right side only a value should come. So you can give int a equal to 5 in Python. Otherwise, without data type also you can give a equal to 5. Both are same only. And multiple values also we can assign at a time to the different variables. Here three variables used: a, b, c. And a value is 3, b value 3.2, and c value is hello. And then one value will be assigned to the different variables. See, x, y is a three variables for the same value, same string. And then we can use the assignment operator with the arithmetic operator symbols also. It's called a shorthand operators. See here, normally x equal to 5. If you give plus equal symbol if you are using, then it will work like that. X is equal to x plus 3. X value will be added with 3. So answer is 8. Likewise the remaining also. It's called a shorthand assignment operators. Equal symbol, it will be combined with the logical and bitwise operators also. It will work like the same thing. And it's a new operators in Python language. It's not in other language. Identity operators. Say identity operators is used to compare the memory locations of the two objects or two variables. There are two identity operators, is and is not. So it's used to compare whether the both values are located on the same memory, same part of the memory. If it is it share the same memory means return to other is written. See here example a equal to 34, b equal to 34. So values same, variables only different. In Python, variables use the same value, then it will share the same locations. It will not store in a different locations, not like other languages. In other language, computer languages, even though values are same, variable different means it will store in a different location. But in Python, it will store in the same location. So if A is B, that means both are in share the same locations. So this condition is true. So output will come both A B has the same identity. And next B value only changed 99. Still A value is 34. Now if check A is B, it will not be a true because both are now it's different value. Both have different value and it will not share the same locations. So else part will be executed. A and B has a different identity. So output is given. See another one example. String 1, string 2 both have the value India. See here in memory locations India is shared by both str 1 and str 2. So the locations are shared by the two variables. Same location only shared by the str1 and str2. So we check the is operated, we return the true result only. And identity operators, another example you can see x value x1 y1 value is 5, x2 y2 value is hello, and x3 y3 list value 1 2 3. So now we are checking the three statement. Let's see one by one. See, first one is x1 is not y1. See, x1, y1 value is the same only. Both are share the same locations. So, here not the given, so it's written the false. And x2 is y2. Hello, hello, same. And also share the same location, so it written true. Likewise, the list values of x3, y3 also both values are same. So it will it will not give a true because the list of the normal basic data type in float string same values means will share the same location. But in case of list object, list means the values are enclosed, one or more than values enclosed by square brackets. So list object we are comparing, it will take the different locations. X3 y3 is a different location, so it return false. And membership operator, this is also new operators in language, and it is used to check whether the value is present in the given sequence object. So two operators, membership operator in and not in. So it is in all the types, all the sequence type. So if the value is present in the sequence, then it will return true in operators, otherwise it will false. And not in, if it is not present, then it return that true, otherwise it return that false. Let's see. See x value hello world, y value dictionary value, 1 2 or keys, and a b values. And print we are checking capital H in X and hello not in X, and print 1 in Y and print A in Y. Let's see. See first one, print H in X. So the capital X H is present in X. Yeah, is correct. So it written true. And hello, so hello it start as a small letter. Hello not in X also true because X hold only the capital H hello only, so not present only, so it is true. And next value 1 in Y, 1 is considered a key. The one key value is present in Y, so it's written true. And next A is checked in Y is false because always we have to compare dictionary with the keys values only. So here A is not a key, it's a value. So it's written a false. And this is the Python punctuators be used. Thank you.